have credit for my phone, yeah?
No credit. Come and check your phone. Come and check your phone. Go check your phone.
Phone dead.
Yeah, when your phone dead. You see I smile now, me take him out of here. Look on him and smile. Let's just look on your face now.
Oh, yeah, smile, mommy.
So I'm not supposed to smile. You give me something to smile for.
The height different. Yeah, the height different. But I don't know.
No, I'm telling him and shoot him at
Really?
Seriously, I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you no height. I'm show no good girl tall. I'm have to look up in my face. So don't never know. Yeah. You want to see me look up in my face.
When I forget about no ring, I get the ring and she give me it back.
Be stop now. Jesus, we are trying to forget about that look up for. Guys, stop coming in comments. Don't say that. Guys, don't say that in the comments. Don't say it. Because now make him bring it up back. Seriously, man? Eva. You good?
You good, Makila?
Happy, man.
Yeah.
Why you don't take anywhere? Oh, you happy? Oh.
Oh, yeah, go. Yeah, but oh, yeah, go. I'm going to say it today.
No, you go first. I'll show me.
Me, if I go first, I'll show you. Come sit down.
Yeah. No, boy, you for going.
Yeah.
Yes, I appreciate some.
It's down the car. A real gold ring now, a guard ring. Not a pocket. Not a person. A guard ring. Jaden, I'm going to teach my woman to drive.
You seriously?
Yeah, hold on there.
So, you see, if you just time to talk to you,
Come hold this.
you have to big sit me.
You want to drive, you drive today.
Guys. Yo, I have to take time with me. I see what I do. Let me show you what I do. Hold on, I'm going to take camera away. Alright, guys. Alright. One shoulder. Camera. Swim out of here. You put in some oil here, so. What that name?
Oil.
What kind of oil?
So you get that look of screen up there, sir?
Yes, sir. See there? So you can be forward and back.
Right, that. So my engine pretty?
Yeah, engine nice, true.
Ready, baby?
Yeah, ready. Oh, come.
Yeah, I go to my carry it. Run pan the road there. And make it.
Alright, no problem. Come. And now I go to pan a live door, guys, so now make me nervous and this song. And I don't know what's going. I'm going on a video. That's why I come on for the live. I tell people, them guys, check me out on YouTube, alright? No, my guys, I'm going to go up on YouTube channel later. What's going to come back?
I want to.
Come here. Come here. He is don't go. But guys, I have to do videos, so no green screen. No, guys, later I soon come back. I don't know. Soon come back. Guys, watch your video on YouTube, alright? Please check out the video on YouTube. Okay? We'll soon come back. Alright, love you guys. We'll soon come here. Alright, don't vex. We'll soon come. You're not gonna see everything on YouTube. Alright, go and eat the Sunday dinner. Left some for later and make sure I have my chicken leg. Yeah.